In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to efficiently schedule and manage meetings through the Teams platform. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button. It's straightforward but crucial because signing in gives you access to all the features that Teams offers. If you encounter any issues, make sure your login details are correct or reset your password if necessary. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The next step is to navigate to the calendar section, which you can access from the left-hand menu. Clicking on calendar allows you to view your schedule and begin setting up your new meeting. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll notice that it resembles most digital calendar tools, making it intuitive for new users. Now let's pick a date for your meeting. Look through the calendar and select your preferred date. A tip here is to ensure that the date aligns with the availability of those you're inviting, which can help in minimizing scheduling conflicts. You can simply click on the desired date, and this will open up a new event window. Next, it's time to give your meeting a title. Clear and specific titles are essential because they set the agenda for your meeting and help participants understand the focus at a glance. Type in the title in the designated field. Remember, clarity is key here, so choose your words wisely. After setting the title, head over to the participants section. Click on people who were invited to add individuals to your meeting. You can manually enter email addresses or select people from your organization. This part is vital because having the right participants can lead to a more productive and efficient meeting. Once you've added your attendees, you have the option to invite everyone in your organization by clicking on everyone. This feature is especially useful for large meetings or company-wide announcements. However, only use it if necessary to avoid unnecessary disruptions. Now you'll want to click on Save to finalize your meeting details. This saves your event and sends out invitations to the participants. It's a good idea to double check all the information before saving, ensuring the correct date, time, and participants. Finally, you'll have the option to click copy to grab the meeting link. You can then share this link in emails or chat messages for easy access. Sharing this link is a convenient way for participants to join the meeting directly. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you're on your way to hosting organized and efficient meetings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams effectively.